So hi guys, Eddie here, and today I'm here to record a video to talk about my trading EA, my forex trading automated system. To be more specific, a high frequency trade system. As you guys can see right here, I'm on this account. It's one account on FBS. It's a real account, obviously live account. As you guys can see right here, FBS server 13, right? And as you guys can see right here too. Let me just use this to change this to a custom report. Let's say last 3 months, and we had to some withdrawals on this account, right? This account is one of the accounts that my trading algorithm, my high frequency trading algorithm, are managing. And as you guys can see right here in this account, we made over $49,529 in profit. Yeah, you can see it right now. It's not even right covered. And right now too, we are on one buy position on Euro USD placed by the algo trading, as you guys can see right here, right? So let me just change here from my MetaTrader to my FX book of the same account, as you guys can see right here, real account, USD, FBS, right? And yeah, real FBS, everything is the same. This account is the account that I already showed to you guys on the MetaTrader, right? And as you guys can see clearly right here, same thing. We made over what? 4,100 and something in profit. And here you will have all the stats you need if you want to actually become profitable trading with algos, trading with expert advisors. You need to be very focused on one stat, this one right here. Risk of ruin your account. You guys can see clearly right here too that to make 50%, over 50% in profit, this algorithm have made just 3.62% of drawdown. It's a very, very, very tiny drawdown. It's the best on the market actually. It's very good. Even me, when I'm on the market since 2015, even me when I'm trading manually, I don't have this drawdown. My drawdown go to actually something between 8 and 6%. But here we have 3.62% of drawdown with one risk of ruin. Look, if I choose this side right here, you will not side something right there inside this, in this level right here, right? So when I choose this, you can see there is a chance, there is a probability, right, of lower than 0.01% of chance of losing 10% of your account, right? This will require 39 consecutive losing trades and to lose just 10% of your account. If you go to see what's the chance to lose 100%, to lose all the money in your account, it's the same thing. There is a lower than 0.01 chance of losing 100% of the account. This will require 393 consecutive losing trades. And as you guys can see here, the profitability of this trading algorithm is the strike rate is 72%. We lose trades too, of course, right? Our trade system use stop loss, so sometimes it will get stopped. But it's just 28% of stop loss. 28% of the what's that? 612 trades taken by this trading algorithm was stopped. 72% was straight to your take profit. The average wins, you guys can see the average loss. Everything is here, is clear. I'm not covering anything, right? And you guys can see clear too. Every time, duration, everything is here. I'm not covering anything. And I'm here to give it to you guys the opportunity to join us and have your account managed by our EA. If you can't become profitable trading by your own, I'm here to show to you one opportunity, to give to you one opportunity actually, to come and trade with us. How? If you want to actually to come and trade with us, what you need to do, and I'll go to my Instagram, right? And you will find here on the bio of my Instagram this link right here. When you click on this link, you will have the opportunity to join our Telegram, HFT Algo Trading trading bot or EA, because I know a lot of people call it in different ways, right? I like to call it a high frequency trade because it's one high frequency trading algorithm, right? So clicking here, you will have the opportunity to join our Telegram, and I will give you one free trial test if you want to test the algorithm before actually go on your live account, right? So that's it, guys. I hope you guys understand it. Everything here is showed. I'm not covering anything to you because it's clearly 49%, $49,000 in profit, and the deposit was $68,000. So you can't say we are not making money, right? That's deposit money, because we made over 49%, $49,000 in profit. This account, it's a pen account or man account, if you want to call it this way, and we have money of a lot of clients here. If you want to join, it's the same process. If you want to do one free trial, same process too. And actually, I had one other account of $3,000 that I started in day 19. As you guys can see right here, this account here was started in 26 September. This account here, it's a personal account, it's for me, right? And I started this account to show to everybody on my Instagram what this EA can actually do. And the difference between these two accounts is that this one is running on moderative risk, and this one is on ultra conservative risk. And you guys can see the difference on the drawdown percentage, right? Here the drawdown is 0.86%, and we made 6.84% already. Just from 19, actually we just started to trade in 20 October to 28. But remember, between this day we have a weekend, so 26 here, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, it didn't actualize for today. Today is Sunday. Today is Monday, actually not Sunday, today is Monday, and it didn't actualize yet, but the EA already started to take some trades, as you guys could see right here, right? We have this trade, this buy position on gold already, right? So yeah, so you guys can see the difference right here, and it's same process, just a $3,000 account. We made over 3%, over 6% already. Profit is $209.29, and risk of ruin basically it's even better, of course, because the drawdown here is lower, right? Because you are running on ultra conservative mode. To lose 10% of your account, there is a chance of lower than 0.01%. The chance of losing 10% of your account. This will require 66 consecutively losing trades. Actually, I think here it's a little bit better, right? Because no, it's worse because it will need 39 trades, but yeah, it's different mode of risk, right? Here we are on moderate mode, and this one is ultra conservative, so it's almost the double. As you guys can see, it's a different profile for different types of investors. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Drop a like, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget, if you want actually to just join our forex trading algo or EA bot, whatever you want to call it, just come to my Instagram. The link to my Instagram is in the description of this video. Click here, you will be redirected to this HFT algo trading. Just click on it and you will be redirected again to our Telegram. Just join and you will be able to get one free trial if it's still opened when you saw this video, because this video will be on the internet forever, right? And if it's not opened anymore, because the free trial already ended, right? So that's it, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Drop your like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. See you.